Alright guys, today we're going to be checking out the DJI Mini SE. This is the Fly More combo package, and this one comes with 3 batteries, so let's open it up. Okay, it's got a cool carry case. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay, let's check this out. Right, the drone is nicely packaged in here. It's got like a little tab around the propellers. Let's take those off. Let's open these out. So you have to flip these down to open the bottom ones up. Okay, so that's the drone. Let's check out what else we get. This is the controller. Obviously you put your phone inside here, and I'm guessing that is your record button for recording videos, and this is for taking images. So I'll go through the running of the drone in a bit. And just a bunch of paperwork, and then here we have our batteries. So obviously we've already got one battery inside the unit. This is the charging pack that came with this combo package. So this will basically charge the batteries, as far as I'm aware. Okay, this box is obviously going to be the cables you use to run the drone. Spare propellers. That's good. Got a handy little screwdriver that comes with it. And also various cables to help run the unit as well. USB cable. And we have another one as well. So yeah, that's basically everything you get in the whole kit. Alright guys, I've got everything I need now to run this little drone. So I've got the battery pack, just need to charge that up. Also need to charge the battery that's inside the drone itself. I need to take off these little stickers here so I can get the gimbal camera to work. So yeah, I'll next be charging this up and we'll give it a fly.